Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Civic center console. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Remove trim panels carefully with a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Label screws and clips as you go to make reassembly simple. Test switches and lights before final reinstallation, and use dielectric grease on connectors to ensure reliable contact and corrosion prevention. First, gather your tools and parts before you begin. It saves time and frustration. Use a plastic pry tool, Phillips and Torx drivers, and a multimeter to test wiring. Keep replacement clips and a small parts tray handy so nothing disappears under the seat. Work on a flat surface with good light, and take photos during disassembly to guide reassembly, making the whole process much smoother and safer. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future repair guides. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed the simple path to wealth. It changed how I think about money, and it makes a nice companion while you tinker in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Begin disassembly methodically and keep everything organized to avoid surprises later. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable, then remove cup holder inserts and shift boot to expose hidden screws. Gently pry trim panels from the center console using plastic tools to protect surfaces. Keep screws labeled by location and take photos of connector positions. Check wiring harnesses for corrosion or damage, and repair any broken clips before proceeding to reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.